Now, India has recorded the biggest ever COVID spike with over 2,73,000 cases in just the last 24 hours. Now, this comes despite measures that's already been put in place like corona curfew, weekend curfew, lockdown introduced by several states, graded lockdown. The question here arises that is it now necessary for a nationwide lockdown to check the second wave of the coronavirus in the country? When countries like UK, France can relock thrice, why can't India? Let's take a listen.
No relief from the monster COVID surge. Despite corona curfews and weekend lockdown, there's no stopping the second wave. Is lockdown 2.0 the only solution to break the chain?
आज जो स्थिति है, आज जब हमारे पास सब संसाधन है, तो हमारा बल माइक्रो कंटेनमेंट जोन पर होना चाहिए.
During the virtual meet with chief ministers, Prime Minister Modi ruled out a second lockdown in the country. But the COVID situation is turning grim with each passing day, with infection rate doubling to around 17% in the past 12 days. India Today's Data Intelligence Unit points to an Oxford study which claimed India had the most stringent lockdown imposed during March and April last year. Another study compared India's score on COVID-19 protective norms with other countries. Compared to India, the restrictions have eased in US but remain stringent in China and Germany. In the West, countries like UK and France have gone under lockdown thrice to curb the COVID surge. So the big question is, why can't India, when it's recording a surge over 2 lakh infections and more than 1,000 deaths each day? Does lockdown remain the best solution to defeat the virus? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.